and welcome to the Rainbow Pinwheels. Today we'll learn to make a very cute Rakhi for kids which is easy to make and you'll definitely love it. For this, we'll need Fevicryl molded. You can find it very easily from your local art store. In a pack, you'll find a resin base and a hardener. The main job here is to mix both these things very nicely. So we unwrap it and start mixing. Once the clay is ready, we'll take a small part from it and we'll make a ball out of it. So because this clay is a bit sticky, we'll sprinkle some talcum powder. For rolling, I'm using a pen here. When the rolling is done, with the help of a bottle cap or anything that you find to cut out small circles is okay. You can reuse the remaining clay to create more Rakhi. Here I am using a satay stick, but you can use a toothpick or a needle to make holes like this. We will leave this clay to dry for 1.5 to 2 hours. Once the clay is hard as rock, using a pencil, let's begin to draw. Once done with the drawing, we'll grab the acrylic paints and begin to paint. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe now, hit that bell icon and select all so that you don't miss out any of our amazing art tutorial videos. When the painting is done, it's time to seal the colors using varnish. Drying of the varnish depends on what kind of varnish you are using. Once the varnish dries completely, we will add the thread and the beads. And our cute Rakhi is ready. Do comment and let me know if you really like this idea. Also, do share this video with your friends and family.